welcome back to the Sandmaster channel. So this is what I'd done. I had this on a Suzuki V-Strom, and I thought I would try it out on this. I'll leave a link for the extended screen extender. It does come with a little plastic bit that goes in here, and a little bit that goes in here, but I always lose them. So I just cable tied this, and I'll just leave it, and you can do that if you want to, I guess. I'm not sure how it will go after going under trees and that. I've tried it on some rocky track and it seemed alright. It does move a bit, but I think it's just that bit in there, so it should be fine. I have used these on my CRF 300 Rally, and after a while the cogs can wear out and they can slip. This is a pretty big one, but they do work pretty good. But it does make a lot of difference. And I'll show a video when it's on the road. Alright, here we go. Oh, actually that feels pretty good. Set her on, I'd say it's better. I'll put it up, see what it's like. I'm not sure because it's a bit of a side wind. It's definitely made my helmet, my neck more relaxed. also heard that a lot of the wind comes from the fork well, and apparently they might be making a part to fix it. So that'll be interesting, but this has definitely helped. So I'm going to leave it on there, test it out on a bit longer run, because I didn't do a very long run on it. But I think it'd be a lot better than before, because it was just unbearable, like riding like it was standard. It was just hurting my neck. Couldn't use a lot of the audio from the DJI mic mini because it was just so bad. Well, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button. It helps out with future content. Leave a like. Leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any, I have heard also people have tried the 700 MT screen that's wider and higher. So if anyone has any other better ideas, let me know in the comments. Alright, have a good one. See you in the next video.